Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into an exciting development in the drone world. Recent leaks about DJI's upcoming Matrice 4T have stirred up a lot of buzz, and for good reason. This drone appears to be based on the DJI Mavic 3 platform, a surprising move that showcases how DJI might be repurposing its existing technology for professional-grade applications. Let's break down everything we know so far about this cutting-edge drone. A look at the leaks. The leaks, originating from OLV and corroborated by Igor Bogdanov, reveal that the Matrice 4T could be a reimagined version of the Mavic 3 with several industrial-grade upgrades. The images show a familiar body but enhanced with advanced sensor arrays, RTK support for ultra-precise positioning, and specialized payload mounting points. These upgrades make it clear that the Matrice 4T is being designed for professional use cases like infrastructure inspections, disaster response, and search and rescue operations. Interestingly, one significant feature seems to be missing: LiDAR for obstacle avoidance. Given that even the DJI Air 3 includes obstacle avoidance technology, this omission is puzzling for a drone aimed at critical tasks. Perhaps DJI has a new trick up its sleeve that's yet to be revealed. Innovative features for professionals. The Matrice 4T could redefine how professional drones operate with several standout features. AI-assisted flight modes. This drone may support real-time detection of people, vehicles, and ships, making it invaluable for search and rescue missions or industrial inspections. Third-party device integration. Users might be able to attach third-party equipment for specific tasks, such as environmental monitoring or agricultural surveying. Smart flight modes. It's rumored to include features like fixed speed following, autonomous navigation, and orbit mode, simplifying complex flight missions. Dedicated night scene mode. For low-light operations, the drone is equipped with an infrared fill light and a searchlight, ensuring clear visuals even in complete darkness. Performance specifications. The leaked specs suggest the Matrice 4T will offer powerful flight capabilities. Ascent speed: 10 meters per second. Descent speed: 2.8 meters per second. Transmission system: enhanced with 4G connectivity and the DRTK3 relay system for unparalleled signal stability. Fusion positioning system: combines RTK GNSS, vision sensors, and imported terrain data for precision in every flight. Next-level imaging technology. DJI drones are renowned for their cameras, and the Matrice 4T is no exception. Thermal imaging camera. Perfect for identifying heat signatures in search and rescue operations. Telephoto camera. 48 MP with a 1/1.5-inch CMOS sensor, a 168mm focal length, and 112x hybrid zoom for incredibly sharp long-distance shots. Medium telephoto camera. 48 MP with a 70mm focal length, ideal for mid-range inspections. Wide-angle camera. Another 48 MP sensor with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS and a 24mm lens, paired with an f/1.7 aperture for excellent low-light performance. Enhanced accessories for mission success. To further enhance its professional capabilities, the Matrice 4T is rumored to include several accessory upgrades. DRTK3 multifunction station provides even more accurate positioning for precise missions. Real-time megaphone support enables operators to communicate commands directly from the drone, ideal for emergencies. What's the strategy behind the Matrice 4T? DJI is targeting industrial and professional users with this release. However, the choice to base the Matrice 4T on the Mavic 3 platform raises questions. Is DJI streamlining its Pro lineup to make it more accessible, or is this just a transitional product while we wait for the rumored Mavic 4? While reusing existing tech could help reduce costs, it might also make the Matrice 4T feel outdated, especially if it doesn't include features like LiDAR. However, the combination of its smart features, high-performance cameras, and rugged design could still make it a game-changer for many industries. What do you think? Could the DJI Matrice 4T be the next big thing in industrial drones, or does it fall short of expectations? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest on drones, gadgets, and cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.